Welcome to our video, connecting Stamisol Safe One to a chimney in a roofing installation. To do this, we install the Stamisol Safe One membrane with the Stamcoll Safe system adhesive. Prepare strips at least 20 cm wide. Cut the corner overlap at a 45-degree angle. And apply Stamcoll Safe approximately 25 mm from the edge. Then press firmly onto the surface. Now apply the next connecting edge. Then round off the corners and seal with Stamcoll Safe. Then press along the edge and smooth out with a construction spatula. Apply the same steps to all other sides around the chimney.